Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today I'm going to show you how to check whether your system supports Windows 11 or not. So basically you want to download this application from the Microsoft official website. Then you double click on it to install it. So just go through the normal process, like you have to accept the terms of agreement, click on install. Then it will quickly install, and make sure you check open Windows PC health check. Then click on finish, which will open up the application, which would look something like this. And there will be a banner which says introducing Windows 11, and there is a blue button called check now. So you click on that, check now, and here it will say whether your PC meets the Windows 11 system requirement. As you can probably see, my system is running Windows 11, but it says my system does not meet the requirement because of some few things, right? But I can still install. So if you want to see the more results, you click on see all results, and you will be able to see all the results, whether it is having the basic system requirement or not. So that's pretty much it. That's how you check whether an old system or a new system which you're about to buy meets the Windows 11 system requirement or not. Thank you.